Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette, and today in my how-to series I want to show you something that a lot of people would like to be able to do, because when you need to call a tradesman in to tile, professional tiler, it's not cheap. And the reason it's not cheap is because it's not as easy as it looks. So I want to show you today is how to tile. If you've never done it before, it's best if you start with small projects like I'm doing today. I'm just doing a splashback for the basin, and it's a small basin because it's a cloakroom basin. Let me show you what we need to do this bit of tiling. So, obviously you need the tiles. I have this beautiful pink tile. So to help you, if you've never done this before, it will be wise if you put a bit of thinking into it. If I show you, I know this basin is only 400 mil wide or 40 centimeters. So I looked for 200 tiles, so there is no cutting involved. Okay, you can see there, and I will be putting another one because I just want a small splashback. So when you need to cut tiles, then it gets a bit more complicated. So that's the tiles. You need wall adhesive. I have this little toy with little teeth, and for small projects like this is perfect. Spaces. You want it to have straight lines, so you're going to need spaces to achieve that. So grab your tile, some adhesive from the bucket, okay? Even layers. It's important that you keep these little grooves. That's why you get this tool with the teeth, because it's the grooves that is going to create suction so that the tile will grab. Now I'm going to lay my first tile, like so. Good idea to keep a damp cloth with you, because if you're a messy pup like me, you will get your hands dirty. There. So now this is done, the tiles are laid, and now, depending on the temperature, it can take between several hours. I'm going to leave it overnight, and I will be grouting tomorrow, so I will show you how to do that. So the tiles have been drying since yesterday afternoon. Now we're going to remove the spaces, and we're going to grout. When it comes to grout, if I can show you, you can get white. This one is a very dark gray. This one is a lighter gray, so it's up to you what color you want to use, but the process is always the same. So I have chosen white grout, and you're going to need one of these spatulas. I prefer to use this small one because I have small hands. If you're doing a big project, you will need one of these big boys because it just does the job quicker. In this case, because it's only a small project, and if you don't have experience, probably this will be the best, because you can use the wider side, or in a small project like today, you can just use the tip and it is less messy. Let me show you how to mix the grout. Because it's a small project, I'm using a takeaway box, and as you can see, there's very little water there. You won't need a lot of water. I'm using a spatula to mix. Always try to work diagonal to the tile. Put a bit of pressure and make sure that the whole groove is filled, not just the surface, but all the way in. And that is going to not only give a nice finish, it helps you with fixing the tile as well. So it works like in two different ways, really. So this I've been waiting here for 10 minutes, and now use a damp cloth or a sponge, damp, not wet. See there, nothing coming out, just damp. And now you just clean. Be gentle through the lines you just filled. Okay, like so. So, that's the tiling done. I hope my video was useful and give you the courage, the empowerment to go and try. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe if you like my videos. I'm trying to put videos out there that I feel that people, small projects that everyone can do. If there's anything you would like some guidance, please leave a comment below, and I will try and do a video on it to help you. Or if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to reply to you. But that's all for today. Bye bye.